Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your Android photos with Amazon Photos Prime detailed guide step. Open the Amazon Photos app on your Android device. If you haven't installed it yet, go to the Google Play Store and download the Amazon Photos app. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly in the app. After signing in, you will see the main interface of the app. Tap on the Settings option, usually found in the menu or the bottom bar. In the Settings menu, look for the Backup section. Enable the Backup option to start backing up your photos. Select the folders from which you want to back up your photos. You can choose to back up your camera folder or any other custom folders. Once you've selected the folders, tap Save or Confirm. The app will automatically start uploading your selected photos to Amazon Photos. You can monitor the upload progress in the app. If you have a large number of photos, the backup process may take some time. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi to avoid using mobile data. Once your photos are backed up, you can access them from any device through Amazon Photos. To check your backed up photos, navigate back to the main interface and tap on Photos. Here, you will see all the images that have been successfully uploaded. If you want to organize your photos, you can create albums in the app. To create an album, tap on the Albums tab and then select Create Album. Name your album and add photos by selecting them from your library. This will ensure all your memories remain safe and accessible. With these simple steps, your Android photos will be securely backed up using Amazon Photos. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.